In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read Substack without a subscription. If you've ever stumbled upon a Substack newsletter that piqued your interest but you weren't quite ready to commit to a subscription, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you through a simple process to access content on Substack without needing to sign up for anything. Let's start by heading over to Substack's homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to substack.com. It's a user-friendly site, so don't worry if you're new to it. I'll lead you through everything step by step. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a search bar located prominently at the top. This is your gateway to exploring a vast array of content available on the platform. Give it a click to activate it. Think of this as your personal command center for all things Substack. With the search bar, the whole spectrum of topics covered on Substack is at your fingertips. Now in the search bar, type in the topic you're interested in. It could be anything from politics, technology, health, lifestyle, or any niche you can imagine. Substack hosts a myriad of newsletters, providing an endless choice of subject, so get creative. After entering your preferred topic, hit enter or the search icon and voila! Shortly after, you'll be presented with a selection of posts relevant to your search topic. This part of the process is pretty exciting because you get to explore and discover fresh content without the hurdle of a subscription. You'll find a variety of newsletters contributed by writers from around the world. Each post will give you a glimpse into the content the writer shares with their subscribers. You can scroll through the list and see excerpts, read preview paragraphs, and get a sense of the writer's style before committing to any one newsletter. It's important to note that while many posts are freely accessible, some writers may offer premium content that requires a subscription to read in full. However, you will still find ample information and insights in the free sections, which helps you decide if you want to subscribe to a newsletter in the future. So there you have it, a straightforward way to tap into the wealth of content on Substack without subscribing. It's all about using the search function smartly to navigate through topics and discover new works of interest. Enjoy reading through these insightful newsletters and expanding your knowledge without the pressure of signing up. Happy exploring!